Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i in Alpine White with the black interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i in Alpine White. I've pressed unlock on the key, so we've got the welcoming headlights on, and we'll do a lap all the way around the vehicle. Got some red calipers here. I see a Winter Tire Package as well. Yeah, you can see a bit of that welcome light carpet. Car's looking sweet. And now that we've had a chance to do a lap all the way around, let's take a closer look at all the details. So we have Alpine White here. This is one of the longest running colors in BMW history. It's been on pretty well every car as far back as I can remember. You can see that there's some body lines coming down lengthwise on the hood here. And into our focal point right here at the front, we've got the BMW Rondelle. And then you can see that we have the one-piece matte black kidney grille with the vertical slats. These are active grille shutters behind there as well. And down here you can see that we've got the radar puck, more active shutters at the bottom. And let me just get the headlights on again for the welcome light animation. Perfect. And I can see that we've got the kidney grille also illuminating, so it cascades down from the top. Front end looks sweet. There's also some functional air ducts down here and here as well. Now if I come around to the side here, you'll see we have the Shadowline BMW LED headlights. So the housing is all blacked out. It's labeled here as well. And you've got all these little intricate little triangles and such that the light reflects and refracts off of. So it looks really sweet. Now when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch 735 wheels in ferret gray with the Winter Tire Package. And we've got the Red M Sport brake here as well. We have this black detail on the fender that creates a body line that goes up through the doors. Body colored side mirror, integrated turn signal, and side camera. Black roof rails up top with the panoramic sunroof. These windows are tinted 35%. And if I give a little side profile view, car looks awesome. We have the touch comfort access feature on the front. Black window surrounds. Got the Hofmeister kink back here. Up top, new style antenna. Got a little spoiler here as well. There's your rear 19-inch Winter Tire wheel. And we've got the rear wiper arm on the back here. And if I press unlock once we're back here, you'll see that we have those beautiful X-shaped tail lights. I love the animation as it turns on as well. And now that they're on, more triangles on the side here. BMW is also illuminated. We have the horizontal reflectors on each side. And this one has the freeform exhaust, rear diffuser here, but we also have the tow hitch. And xDrive40i badging on the passenger side. So since I'm back here, there's no kick feature if you have the tow hitch. So I'm just gonna press and hold the tailgate button on the key. Also a micro switch here that you can press. Once this opens up, we have a cargo cover to hide your contents. There is a button here you can press that allows you to release the cargo cover. And once the cargo cover is loose, there's a space under here where it can be stored. You got your wheel lock key, tow hook, some storage space, carpeted mats are in there right now. There's a button here just for the lower tailgate portion. We have a 12-volt plug here, grocery bag hanger here, and these there's a fuse panel behind that. Another grocery bag hanger here. And back here at the bottom there's a little storage space. So now that we've had a chance to look back here, lots of space. Up here we got a button to close, another one to close and lock. So we'll just close it for now. Looking good. Fuel cap doors on the passenger side, so if I press on the 9 o'clock position while the door is unlocked, we're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, one click to open the fuel cap. There's a little spot to put it. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, and then you can shut the door. Now if I go ahead and open the rear door, you'll see that we've got the manual sunshades on the rear windows, door pull, window switch, And ambient light down here, speaker, you got your nice open pore wood trim and some pockets. We have your aluminum illuminating M door sill. Those are the black Sensafin seats. There's a release lever on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60/40 split. The headrest can be flipped up or down. We also have the armrest in the center with the cup holders and storage. And once this is down, you can find a string that you can pull for the center pass-through. And on the back of each front seat, we've got a little pocket. We have vents with heated seats for the 2 outer positions, some storage space, and way down here at the bottom, we also have a 12-volt plug, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. It's also illuminated, and there's some vents down here as well. Up top, we've got the sunroof. The sunshade is open. There are reading lights, handle, and coat hanger on both sides. Another coat hanger on the back of the B-pillar as well. So now that we've had a chance to look at this, let's shut this door. And let's open up the front passenger door next. You can see a bit of that welcome light carpet down here. So once I open up the front passenger door, you've got some nice stitching going across the door panel. Door pull, unlock, lock, window switch, ambient light, door pocket, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar, manual under the thigh extension. Seats are mega comfy, and I think the Sensafin seats might even be more durable. Forwards and backwards, manual, up and down, power. Now inside, we have more of that nice open pore wood trim, stitching across the dash, ventilation system, close, open, direct where you want the air. X5 interaction light bar. Got some glove box down here that illuminates. We have iDrive8.5 on the curved display. This is your vents over here. Open that up, and down here it looks like there's a wireless charger, USB-A, heated and cooled cup holders, 12-volt plug, and we have the glass push start button, gear selector, and iDrive controller. I've also got some nice stitching going across the side here, and if I press this button, it opens up the center console. There's a USB Type-C in there. The armrests also heat with the heated seats. So let's shut this door. We'll go to driver's side next. All right, so if I open up that driver door, inside you'll see that we have Harman Kardon, some nice stitching going across the panel. We have your tailgate release, push to open, pull and hold to close while the key's inside, memory buttons, side mirror controls, window controls, big pockets down here, another illuminating M door sill in aluminum. Full power seat with lumbar inside bolster. And here's your M Sport steering wheel, M at 6 o'clock. And head-up display. We also have the garage door opener buttons underneath here. SOS for roadside assistance up here. And sunroof controls, lighting. There's your visor. When you open the mirror, the light turns on. And the visor can come out, and the visor can extend. We also have these microphones on the ceiling on each side for Bluetooth, and we've got the handle on each side. So now that we've had a chance to look inside of here, let's look down here. You've got your exterior lighting controls, power adjustment for steering columns, signal stock that has a BC button that changes the trip computer on the screen there, and we've got automatic high beams, storage, hood release, 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath the hood. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo, 375 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. Positive battery terminal is here, negative battery terminal is over there, washer fluid over here. And we've got the diamond-shaped strut brace for rigidity. BMWs have 2 latches, 1, 2. So they both have to latch at the same time in order for this hood to latch properly. So if I bring the hood about halfway, fingers on the rondelle, you literally want to just send it down some force. Beautiful. Okay, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one final lap all the way around the vehicle. And now that we've had a chance to explore how this vehicle is set up, so we've got M Sport, M Sport Pro, Winter Tire Package on here, and Tow Hitch package. So very nice, classic color combination. How do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X5, xDrive40i, and Alpine White with the black Sensafin interior. We got M Sport Pro package on here. This car is really nicely equipped, and we've got winter tires on here, so we're ready to face the elements. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.